We think that the hitch is overloaded, right? So it's 4,500 pound hitch. I'm talking about the pin box hitch here. Our trailer should be 3,600 pounds as per the manufacturer's weigh, but we added lithium batteries, the inverter. I'm thinking an extra 200 pounds. We should be 3.8. But this is saying we're overweight. You can tell by the angle of the links here, and also there's a sticker showing whether we're outside the green band. Once we do the calculations, we will know. Well, that's it. We got our 2 calculations. It cost us about 20 bucks. Later, when we get to this boondocking site, pull out the calculator because I'm not positive which one to subtract from which one. So yeah, we'll do it later tonight. See you there.
You have to listen to the music, okay? Ready?
We're open.
Quit the job and go sailing. Life's a wild ride. From the ocean waves to the RV side. With Jamie and Oakley, we're chasing the sun. Living our dream, oh, we're just having fun. Met you in Guangzhou, where our journey began. A loud singer's dream and a pilot's plan. Jupiter was waiting, built with love and pride. Your dream to sail the world, oh, I took that ride. First ocean crossing, waves crashing high. Wow, they're so pretty, while fear filled your eyes. You were crying, saying, OMG, we're gonna die. But in that moment, I felt so alive. First ocean crossing, waves crashing high. Wow, they're so pretty, while fear filled your eyes. You were crying, saying, OMG, we're gonna die. But in that moment, I felt so alive. Quit the job and go sailing. From the sea to the road. With Jamie and Oakley, we'll lighten our load. With every mile we wander, and every star we chase, home is wherever we are, in this wild embrace. 2 weeks in Phuket, sailing hand in hand, and saw the beauty of the sea. You helped me understand. We left our jobs behind, chasing sunsets and dreams. From the ocean to the RV, we're bursting at the seams. American Prelude, the adventures we've had. Living in our RV, oh, it's more than just a fact. With Oakley by our side, we're a family of 3. Chasing horizons, living wild and free. Quit the job and go sailing. From the sea to the road. With Jamie and Oakley, we'll lighten our load. With every mile we wander, and every star we chase, home is wherever we are, in this wild embrace. With the wind in our sails and the wheels on the ground, we're living our dream, oh, we're glory bound. Every wave, every mile, it's a story to tell. From the ocean to the road, this life suits us well. Quit the job and go sailing. From the sea to the road. With Jamie and Oakley, we'll lighten our load. With every mile we wander, and every star we chase, home is wherever we are, in this wild embrace. So quit the job and go sailing. Join us on this ride. With Jamie and Oakley, there's nothing too high. We're living our dream, chasing freedom's call. From the ocean to the road, we're ready for it all.
Thanks, Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift.
Did you
love
contract
you,
her to do that, did you?
I love you.
Love you, baby.
You like it, little boy? You like it? Yes. Look at the water, babe. Where's wildlife?
Where, but what is it?
I don't know.
All I see is people.
Do you see something?
Nope.
Bears.
People taking photos of all the traffic.
Yeah. This is how you find the wildlife.
Follow the people. So we're gonna go. So there's parking around here, or if we go up the hill, turn left, which I'm not sure we can. Don't know how tight that hill is, but there's lots of parking up there.
Should be okay.
Big trailers up there. 5 slide trailers. Alright. What is it? Nearly 5 o'clock. Ooh, it's all spooky over there in the mountains. Look at that. Well, some room. No. You can see there'll be somewhere. I mean, worst case we just park, for the night and then go exploring. Do we want to go up the hill?
Sure. Do you think it's okay?
Keep it going.
I'm gonna go left, but
It's just that you have to camp in a designated site, but I believe it is free.
okay. Oh, they're following us.
We better be quick to choose a good site. Someone behind us here.
Dun, dun, dun.
Certainly hope we don't meet any other traffic.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna turn left. This is it. This is the entrance.
Yep.
Are we okay with that hill?
Yeah.
We're not gonna scratch the back. Be careful on the stone. Oh, nice view. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. So this is one side. 1416.
I'm gonna go walk around there.
Okay. What happened?
There's a wide side that we can just pull up straight. We'll be looking at the view of the mountains, but also the campus.
Because this is the best spot.
It is a good spot.
Maybe
Just
if
for-
one of them will leave, we're
Maybe,
gonna
yeah.
go to their place.
Yeah, if that little.
Yeah. Why you went there?
Because it's the best spot.
Yeah.
So just here. Oh my God! Look at the bison. Wow.
Is there a traffic? Yeah. Yeah, that's it. They're all boys in there. My God. Can we stop?
Yeah.
Wow.
What do you reckon? Big dogs. Big dogs with horns. This is amazing to see. This makes me feel like I'm in the Wild West.
Yeah.
And lots of calves. Okay.
First wildlife.
So that's the first of the big three that we're looking for. We're looking for grizzly bear, moose, and bison.
Yeah.
So we've still got to find. I'm hoping later today, we're going to see moose.
Yeah.
We found a neighbour told us where to go.
Oh, you've got something on you.
Oh, something on my neck? Leave it to me to embarrass myself on a first date.
What I find more interesting than the moose is all the people looking at the moose. And it's like freezing cold, and I got to go back to the car because I got to light that heater in the car and get it running. It's freezing. So that's number 2 of the 3 big ticket animals in the park. We saw bison, buffalo earlier, and now a moose. And that was a nice big male. He was lovely. But got grizzly bear to go. Hopefully we see one, but just not too close. Whoop. There's another one of the big 3. Big oak man. Mummy's coming soon. In a boondocking site, there's always a competition to see who can get the best view. And I think today we won. Look at that. All right, we're finally sitting down to look at the figures from the CAT scale the other day when we weighed the truck and the RV. Now, if you remember, we first drove truck and RV onto the scale, and we parked the front wheels, which is the steer axle, on the front scales, the drive axle is on the rear scales, and the trailer axle is way back there in the trailer scale. So it measures 3 zones. You just put the front wheels in that first segment, rear wheels in the second segment, trailer in the big segment. Then we went and parked the RV, disconnected, and just drove the truck on so that we could now compare the actual weights of every component. So let's start with, you can see at 11:16 is the first where we weighed everything, and then 10 minutes later we weigh just the truck here. So the steer axle on both readings is basically the same, 20-pound difference, yeah. Now you can see the drive axle is 8,820 pound, and then the second time without the RV is 4,700 pound. Now obviously the difference between them is the weight of the trailer on the pin. So all we do is drive axle minus drive axle, and we come up with 4,120 pounds. Now that was a vital bit of information for us because our Gen Y hitch is telling us that we're overweight. and it's rated up to 4.5K, 4,500 pound. Now, we're proving that we're under that by a big margin, but it's showing that we're overloaded. So I'm actually in the process of returning the Gen Y hitch for warranty. The rubbers that are in the torsion flex system, not up to scratch. So yeah, we're just arranging where it's going to get sent, and they're going to send out the next level up, the 5,500 pound hitch, which will surely be well within tolerance, when we're only 4,120. And by the way, that pin weight included about a third or a half, maybe, tank of water, which is an extra 300 pounds, which is forward. It's the most forward tank we've got. That was the very piece of information we were really interested in. So now let's move on. We can look at the trailer axle on the first way, 16,600 pounds. And of course, there's no trailer on the second way. But now what we can do is add the pin weight that we calculated to the trailer axle weight, and that comes up to 20,720 pounds. Now I went digging through the paperwork and found this guy, which is the vehicle weight information sheet for our VIN number on a specific date. This was given to us by the manufacturer, and it shows that our gross vehicle weight rating, the maximum that our trailer is rated to weigh, is 19,500. That means we are 1,220 pounds overweight. That's very interesting. We got a few things that we could lose. I don't know if it's 1,000 pounds worth though. I did say that we had about 300 pounds worth of water, so that would bring it down to say 900 pounds. I definitely don't think we have 900 pounds of stuff we can lose here. I mean, but we're going to do our best. Obviously, we want to keep within the rated weight of this trailer. Some other things you can check on the information sheet here. Gives you the gross axle weight rating of 7,000 pounds. And yeah, we know from crawling under the RV that we got 3 axles, they're 7,000 pound axles. So if we were to take that 16,600 pound divided by 3, we know we're well under the axle rating. We can see the hitch weight as per the manufacturer's spec is 3,630. We're a little heavier than that, but not much more. Because we've installed lithium batteries, the inverter, and some of the electronics. I would say that's an extra easily 150 pound even. So that would justify the difference between the manufacturer's hitch weight and our actual hitch weight. All right, so ultimately I am pleased that we spent 20 odd bucks weighing our vehicle. It's answered the question about the hitch weight, and now we have justification to claim warranty. And it's also a lesson for us that we are too heavy in more ways than one. What can you do? Happens with age. One of the challenges that we have now, we're at boondocking here in this lovely pine forest. I'm not sure where they've come from. They may have come from Utah when we're in the RV park there for 10 weeks. We got mice. We got rodents in the RV. Well, this is it. This is our boondock site in Montana. How amazing is this?